Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about rounding. So let's start. Round to the nearest 10. So let's say if you have 72, we need to round it to the nearest 10. Now we need to round it to the nearest to the 10th digit. So this is the ones place, and this is the 10th place. Now you look at this number. If it is 5 or more, then you need to round up, and if it's 4 or less, you round down. So 2 is less than 5, so we round it to 70 down. Now another example, let's say if you have 59, we have two options, either become 60 or 50. Now we see this number is greater than 5, so the final answer is 60. The answer is 60 because we round it to up. Another example, let's say if you have 126 and 349. This is 10th digit, and we see this number. We have two options, either becomes 120 or 130. So 6 is greater than 5, so the answer is 130. Now here either becomes 350 or 340. So we have 9 here greater than 5, so the answer is 350. We round it to up. Now let's say we need to round to the nearest 100. Let's say if we have 369. This ones digit, and this is 10th digit, and this is 100 digit. So we see this number. If this number greater than 5, we round up, and if this number less than 5, we round down. So 369 becomes either 300 or 400. So 6 is greater than 5, so the answer is 400. Now let's say if you have 2349, so it becomes 2300 or 2400. We see this number is less than 5, so the answer is 2300. Now let's say if you have this number 13528. This is the 100 digit. Now we see this number is less than 5, so the answer is 13500. Now let's say if you have a decimal, we need to round 10th. This let's say if you have 5.367, this is ones digit, and this is tenth digit. Now we look to this number. If this number greater than 5, we round it up, and if this number less than 5, we round it down, so it becomes 5.3 or 5.4. Now here you have 6 is greater than 5, so the answer is 5.4. Now another example, let's say if you have 12.342, the answer either 12.3 or 12.4. so this is 10th digit. We look to this number. 4 is less than 5, so the answer is 12.3. we round it down. Now another example, let's say if you have 132.3591, so this is 10th digit. We look to this number. We have 5, so we round it up, so it becomes 132.4. so this is the final answer. Now round to the nearest whole number. Whole numbers is same thing to ones digit. So let's say if you have 34.235, this is ones digit, and we look to this number. If this number greater than 5 or greater than 5, we round up, and if this number less than 5, we round down. So 2 is less than 5, so the answer is 34. Now let's say if you have another example, 146.581. we have here 5, so we round up, so the answer is 147. so this is the final answer.